Hi guys, welcome back to my video. It's Rashida in case you are new on this channel. So guys, I'm going to give you a walk through my estate, where we are constructing our house. So far the progress is so amazing, guys. As you see me having this smile, I'm so happy. People are constructing. So as I talk right now, we have another neighbor who is building a house, and according to the material I've seen at the site, I think they are going to construct a flat. So guys, let me take you through our estate, or walk with me through our estate, so that I could give you the developments we have. So in case you love such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and give this video a thumb up. So enjoy the video. So guys, we are going to start our video from here. Over there, that's the main road. So that's the main road, and this is the road which takes us to our estate. So far the estate has no name. Okay, maybe it may have a name when I just don't know the name of the estate. Okay, so guys, join me as I show you the great developments we have in our area. Okay, so this is the first neighbor we have as we slope to where we stay. Okay, so that's guys, this is not the first video I'm giving you. This is not the first video of me showing you this area. Where the reason why I'm giving you more of this video, because we have great development in the area. Okay, so the neighbor here, I remember in the first videos they didn't have a gate, so they have a gate over there, and we have a second neighbor there who has a very cute house. That house is really cute. So this one added on a gate and a fence. So then we go inside. Okay, so let's go. You see guys, the road is not nice at all. It's because someone there is constructing, and you know what happens when these sino truck cars pass through a road which is not worked on. I just can't imagine coming this side when it has rained. So guys, this is what we have. You see how sport our road is. Okay, let me first give you this view. Guys, see that view. See that view. Are you seeing it, guys? It's really cute. So in my previous videos, I always pass this side. So for today, we are going to pass this side, and I'm going to give you the developments we have. So we are going to pass this side, then we slope down up to my house. Okay, so let me show you the material being put here. You see those small stones, what I know, those small stones are for constructing a flat. So I'm so sure this one is going to build a flat, and his or her plot is big. It's 100 by 100. Guys, it's one thing I love about this area. The people who have the smallest plots, they are 50 by 100, but even ours is 50 by 100, but they are like, let me say, 5 or 6 people who have 100 by 100, then the rest they have 50 by 100. So that means it's an organized estate. Temuli mbona buporoti obutini bu asatu kwa tano oba asatu ku nsanvu. No, it's 50 by 100 or 100 by 100. And the second thing I love about this estate, we have roads. Tuina amakubo. So where I'm standing, like this side, as from that fence, I mean that foundation to down there, that's a road. Then over the other side, okay, let me show you. Let me take you to the other side and I show you the second road. But you are going to come back and use this road. Although the road which takes us to my house, it's this one, because our house is facing over this side. It's not facing the other side. Okay, just I want to show you the second road we have, so you can either pass here or pass in the other one. So this is the second road. So this one is what I use when I'm going to my house. Okay, let me give you a close-up. So that's what we have, and that's the view I get when I'm sloping to my house. So guys, let us go back to our video. I was still talking to these builders who are building. They have told me they're going to construct a normal bungalow house, but it's going to have a go down, so it's not a flat, but I'm so sure it's going to be a nice house, because a house with a go down, yeah. Okay, so let us go. So what we see here, I have been told that the owner of this plot bought 100 by 100. So this one is 100 by 100. Between guys, these rentals, I was told that they are for sale. Yeah, these rentals, I don't know the price, but I was told they are for sale. Okay, so let us go. Let us go down and we see what we have in my developing estate or neighborhood. Between guys, the other side, I may not be able to show you, because their gates are facing the other side, but the other side is already developed and it has cute modern houses. So this is the first house you see as you're sloping down. Yeah, guys, you see it's also a big house. It's seated on a plot of 50 by 100. Okay, so we have one neighbor there, then this second neighbor who has just started the construction. Okay, then we have a third neighbor there, although that house, it's for chicken. Bagenda kulunda nkoko, but it's okay as long as I have other neighbors who are constructing their houses. So this is the second road which takes us to my house. Yeah, okay, so let's go. Let's go guys. Okay, so that is their fence. Let me first give you a close-up of this house. You see guys, you see how big the house is. It's really a big modern house. So over here we have this fence. Yeah, nero omuntu azimba ekiyumba ky'enkoko n'ateekako gate era akasente kabeerawo, so omwo bagenda alundiramu nkoko mweyo gate gye mulaba. But maybe in the future nga bajja kuzimba ennyumba nga they just wanted to first build a house for the chicks, then maybe in the future bazimbe ennyumba. So that's the second neighbor we have. Then over there we have a third neighbor, the fourth neighbor. Yeah, the fourth neighbor, sorry. So this fourth neighbor, yawa kalina, but the house is also seated on a plot of 50 by 100. 50 by 100, yeah. So this is it guys. So in case you want to buy a plot here, the last time I knew the range of plots in this area, they were 45 million to 55 million. I don't know if the price is still the same or the price increased, but the last time I knew it was 40 million to 55 million. So this is the second neighbor there. That's the house. Let me give you a close-up. That's the house, and we have other neighbors there the other side. Although tebali mweno estate yaffe kati bo babeera eri side kubanga nekkubo eribayingiza oba liri side zeri, but I've given you just the surrounding from up there to where my house is. Okay, so let's go. So here people haven't yet constructed, but all the plots bazigula dda. Those amulaba mulimu obuyinja, they were all sold out. Even this side they haven't yet constructed, but as you can see the plots were already bought. So this road we're sloping away to let's go. I'm going to take you up to my house, then after we shall come back using the second road up there. Then I'll show you my road from my house to the not to the main road, okay, to somewhere. So guys, you see that's what we have over there, and you see all the plots here, they are sold. But I'm so sure there are more plots, because I was told down there after my house those plots are not yet sold. Yeah, I always ask the people who stay around. When ndabayo omuntu ng'abeera kuno ku kyalo nga mubuuza nga ngamba awo baguzeewo wano tebannaba bwe batyo. Even I'm not so sure if these plots were bought by people who are going to construct the houses or were bought by brokers who buy plots for sale. That I'm not so sure. These two. Omuli emiti simanyi oba broker be bazigula oba bannyinizo, but what I know they are sold, but simanyi bani abazigula. Okay guys, so let's go. And that's my house. Nabawa omutindo gw'ennyumba. Buli azimba wano azimba ennyumba ng'olaba nnungi, compared to what we built, because I know, guys, I'm not bragging, but I know my house is cute. Yeah, modern, beautiful and big house. Don't mind about the roofing. The roofing, I remember one of you commented about my roofing, guys. I gave you like I already did like 5 or 4 videos explaining why my house is a box roofed house. It's because we changed the plan of the house. Yes, according to yatukubira plan kye yakola, nga plan emaze ofuluma twakolamu changes ne tugikyusa ne tugatako rooms endala ezitaaliko ku plan. So even the roofing had to change because twakyusa plan y'ennyumba. That's why you see nti eri box, but even if it's a box roofed house, I love the fact that the house is big. Yeah, it's a big modern house. So I'm complaining about my roofing. Please stop. Okay, please show me your houses. Okay guys, back to the point. So linekubo guys likirira paka eri wansi, so likomeyo wansi. Awo wansi ate tewali kubo ddala lyeyongerayo kugenda kuzira ennyumba zemulaba. Kati abana ababazimbye eyo wansi era be bajja okuba nga bakoma, then ekkubo ne likomawo eno. So tujja kuba tetulina ate ekkubo litujjako kugenda eri ku nnyumba endala. Okay, so this is my house, but our fence is going to face the other side. Although we may decide to put a small gate here at the back of the house in case we want. You know how most people do it, being that we have a road here, tetulinayo neighbor mabega luguudo, tusobola ogamba aka tuteekeko ka gate akatini akasobola otufulumya eno emmanju ne tuyita ku luguudo. Okay, so guys, this is my house. Yeah, my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful house. Okay, kati kamba twala eri waggulu. Let me take you to my road, which I use to come here. Kyova emmotoka yange efeesinze eno kubanga mpita eno siyita mu liri ekkubo. So guys, for us, we use this one. Yeah, we use this one. Let me first give you this view. And that's the view. The view is viewing. The view is really, really, really cute. That's the view. So for us, we use this one. Let me try to go back up. Yeah, we use this one. I'm not going to go back up because it's almost the same. Wali when natandikira video, you see where the guys are? Nengenderi side. So for us, we swap this side. Yeah, so guys, that's my estate. Yeah, that's what we have. We have neighbors there, and we have neighbors there, and we also have more neighbors there, and their houses are really cute modern houses, although their gates are the other side. Okay, and that's my house, the front of my house. Okay, let me just take you to my house in case we have people who watch this video and they haven't yet seen my house. So let me just give you just a quick tour of it. Okay, so this is what we have over there. Let me stand here. So guys, this is it. That's my house. That's my bedroom. Then that's the living room, and that's the dining. Okay, so let's go. So guys, that's the living room. Yeah, that's our living room over there. And over here, this is the dining. Okay, that's the dining. And over this side, this is the kitchen. Yeah, the kitchen, but we are going to remove that wall. Yes, I already told you about it. We are to remove that wall so that it's an open kitchen and dining area. Then over this side, the bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. The master bedroom is master link because I love that master bedroom window. We also have these two French windows. Okay. Then over here, that's the bathroom. Then over this side, it takes us to the kids' bedroom. Yeah, we have one bedroom over here. And then the second bedroom over here. Then the general bathroom. This is just a quick tour because you guys, you already know my house. Okay, you already know my house. Then over here we have the kitchen. That's the kitchen over there. Okay, so let us pass this side. Then here at this window we have the pantry and the laundry room. Okay, so over this side we have the kids playroom. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, so I'm going to end my video from here. Yeah, see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel. You can leave a comment down below and don't forget to give this video a thumb up. I'll say goodbye for now and see you in my next video. I love you.